Hey everybody, this is David. Tax time is right around the corner, so I wanted to begin the year with a short tutorial on your client portal for you guys to reference if you have any questions as you're navigating through your portal. If you're comfortable navigating the portal or figuring it out on your own, then you probably don't need to watch this video. But for those who might have difficulty navigating the portal or have questions along the way, I want you to reference this as you have questions. So you're going to be getting a few emails from me through Secure File Pro over the next few days with a subject that I've uploaded a profile, a checklist, and or an organizer to your portal. So I wanted to review these with you in real time in the hopes that this helps you navigate the portal. Once you get those emails, you can click on the blue button within those emails to get to the login screen here. And I recommend bookmarking this tab so that you can easily click on your bookmark or your favorites bar and pull this screen back up so you don't have to be wondering where's the link to log in. So once you log in, if you have your username and password, if not, let me know and I can either get you signed up for a portal or send you a link to reset your password, or I can give you your username if you've forgotten it from last year. The first thing to do once you log in is to make sure that your information's up to date. So you're going to have a task on your home tab that says to confirm your profile. You can confirm your profile by clicking on the blue button or by going to the profile tab on the left side of your screen. This is where you can update information such as your date of birth, your phone number, your address, your email address. If these things have changed, please let us know because this information directly goes to your tax return. Also, if you've had any kids that were born last year or have any dependents, this is where you can give us their information as well. You can change or edit this information simply by clicking the edit button in the top right corner and updating your information. Once this is done, you can click Confirm Profile at the bottom of the screen. That lets me know that you've reviewed everything and everything is up to date. Next, I want to jump down to the Checklist tab on the left side of the screen. The checklist includes items that you reported on your 2024 tax return if I was the one who prepared that return. For new clients, this checklist tab will be blank since somebody else did your 2024 taxes. And this is more of a memory jogger for you guys. One of the most frequent questions we get is whether or not there's anything missing. And this checklist is a good reminder for you of which items you'll need to turn into me. I don't reference this screen when preparing your tax return, so this is purely to help you stay organized. You might not need all these items if you've changed jobs or your spouse is no longer working. So you can click the box not needed if it's not something you need for this year, but please use this as just another resource to help you stay organized. Now let's talk about your tax organizer. Your tax organizer is found under the Files tab. If you're a current client, you'll probably see the last 2 or 3 years of tax returns uploaded in a few different folders. When you click on the organizer labeled 2025 Tax Organizer, it is going to open up in the browser. One thing to note, please don't fill out the organizer within the browser because it does not save in real time in your portal. You will need to download this organizer onto your computer or print it off and fill it out on your computer and then upload the completed version back to your portal. I want to stress that the organizer is not required, but it has a lot of yes or no questions that you can answer that might give me some insight on other information I need to get from you in order to prepare your tax return. Again, this is simply another memory jogger that's a little bit more in depth than the checklist. If you are a current client, this organizer will have all of your 2024 information and numbers filled out so that you can give us this similar information for 2025. Another note to make is that this is not a substitution for your tax supporting documents, but it can help give me information on top of and in addition to your tax supporting documents, such as did you have any out of pocket medical expenses? What were your charitable donations? What were your business expenses on Schedule C, etc. Once you've saved the organizer on your computer, which you can do by clicking the save button at the top or these three dots on the right hand side and clicking download, it'll allow you to save it onto your computer where you can complete it. Once you're done completing it, you will need to upload it to us along with your other tax supporting documents. This brings me to discussing how you upload your documents to us once they're ready for me to review. So under the same files tab, towards the bottom of the screen is where you're going to share documents with me. You can simply drag and drop documents into this gray section, or if you click here, you can upload documents from a file on your computer. You can upload multiple documents by clicking add after you've chosen a document, and you can stack other documents in here. When you're ready to upload documents, you're going to click this blue upload button. Then you're going to get a confirmation when your files are uploaded. You will now see your files at the bottom of the screen where I can reference. Once you're done uploading all of your documents, along with your organizer, if you want to complete it, again, it's not mandatory, please contact me and let me know that everything is uploaded and ready for me to review. Some people like to upload things periodically as they get their tax documents in the mail or online. So please let me know that everything is completely uploaded so I can review everything and let you know if I think anything is missing right off the bat. I won't review the documents as you upload them unless you let me know that you think everything is on the portal. Once I use this information and prepare your tax return, I will create a new 2025 tax folder at the top, which is where I will then upload your tax return for you to review and ask questions, and we can review it together. Please let me know if you have any specific questions or want to review something in detail. I am going to have a separate video coming shortly that will go through the e-signature process, which is completed through your portal, so that you and your spouse can properly electronically sign everything within the portal, which I know some people have issues with navigating that, as it's different from using something like DocuSign. So I'll have a separate video for that. As always, if you have any other questions, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you one-on-one. But for now, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I look forward to helping you guys with your taxes. Take care. Bye-bye.